Installation of the beams for the Patiowell 1010 metal shed. Before starting the installation, please make sure that you have all the necessary components. We can insert part 14 onto part 13 at a slight angle to make it easier to fit both components together. After successfully fastening the parts together, make sure that the large hole on part 13 aligns with the small hole on part 14. Once the other side is assembled, we can proceed with the installation of the main beam. We will use F2 screws to secure parts 13 and 14 together. For the sake of subsequent installation, do not tighten the two sets of screws at the very edge, and do not tighten the screws near the edge too tightly. Next, we will insert the main beam into the top triangle plate. If the main beam cannot be assembled, try pushing the top triangle plate outwards. Please note the position of the main beam, with the screw holes facing upwards. Then use F2 screws to fix the main beam with the triangle plate. Next, we will install the auxiliary beams. We will place part 14 on top of part 13 and align the screw holes. Then, we will use F2 screws to secure them together. Note, please ensure the correct orientation of the auxiliary beams, with the screw holes facing upwards. Finally, we will use F2 screws to secure the auxiliary beams to parts B2 and B3. In this way, the installation of our roofing beams is completed.